Hi, this is Brian. It's a beautiful day in May, and today I'm at George's house, and we're going to make a video today about the Little Genius 2-bottom plow that's right behind me. So stand by. This is an International Little Genius 14-inch 2-bottom plow. It needs to be moved, it needs to be restored and put back into service. The plow is relatively complete. It has some interesting stories to tell. Here, let me point out a couple interesting stories. Can you imagine the day that broke? I think that's the coulter arm. It's broke, somebody repaired it with a weld. It looks pretty good. But you can imagine the stress that it was caused the day it broke. And they had to bring it into a welder perhaps and have that fixed. Here's something interesting, and George told me about this vice grip. I don't know how to plow, I don't know how the plow works, but it has a vice grip on the adjustment arm, and George did tell me about the day that broke and the problem that it caused, and they put a vice grip on and it's served ever since. So kind of a interesting fix with a lot of history and memory, of course. I don't know anything about plowing, but the plow looks pretty good. Those bottom pieces look pretty nice. Some plows have this kind of arm on there, or mold board, I think is what it's called. I don't really know why, but it looks like they're in decent shape. The coulter wheels still turn. Of course, they're a little bit wobbly, but all in all, it looks pretty good, at least to me. Here's this one. Yeah, the rims are rusted away. Of course, the tires are absolutely shot. So to move this, it would require new tires and rims. But both of these arms still work. I don't know what they do. See if I have the strength to do it. Oh yeah. See how it goes up and down? I'll pull as hard as I can. But they both work. So the plow is functional. Oh, and I want to show this too in the video. There's original paint. I suspect that is original International Harvester paint. You can even see some of the casting numbers. My bet is that's original. So very nice plow. I hope it gets moved. I hope it gets restored. It's a wonderful piece of equipment with a lot of history. Well, thank you for watching. If any of you know the history of these type of plows or some facts about it, I'll try to focus it in there again. Please put it in the comments. I would like to read up on it. And once again, this is the plow from George. You could see him in many of my other videos. And this is the plow that he pulled when he was a little boy, or young man, I should say, young man, working out in the fields in southern Minnesota. He pulled this plow, and that's the special value of this particular one. Well, this is Brian. Thank you very much. Goodbye.